Hey guys, it's Delilah here and I am here to do my own nails. I'm going in with the Kiss product today. This is the French Acrylic Sculpture Kit. And guys, this kit is only $7 to $10 at your own drugstore. Any pharmacy like CVS, Rite Aid, Target, or Walmart, you can find this Kiss product, guys. Go and get it. It's bomb. So this product has the acrylic liquid activator, the acrylic powder. It comes with 40 nails, French nails and original nails. It also comes with a buffing pad. It comes with glue and instructions. Girl, reading instructions is very fundamental, and I'm about to take a quick skim at this instructions and try to skim through it real quick. So I'm going in with my nail polish remover just to remove any debris, any oils or dirt that's in my nails, just so my nails could be nice and clean. Now, this kit comes with a cuticle pusher. This little wooden stick is like to push your cuticles back, guys, just so that your nails can grow back naturally, I believe. Once I'm done with that, guys, I'm just going to skim through the instructions one more time because I wasn't too sure of what to do next. This is my first time using this, guys. I didn't want to go to the nail salon. And I know I got this. I know I could do this, and I know you can too. So the next step was to use the buffer, guys. Use the pink side of the buffer. Just buff out your nails and take off all of that oil that's on your nails, because you know our body has natural oils. If you look at your nails right now, I bet you'll find some oils, like it might be a little shiny. So you got to take all of that off so that the glue could stick on your original nails and that the nails can last longer, guys. My nails had lasted about 3 weeks, almost a month. One nail popped off. You know, when you hit your hand, it pop off or whatever. So one nail popped off, and then I had to take all of them off because I wasn't about to walk around looking ratchet. So that's what happened. After I buffed every finger, guys, I got a little ratchet. I had to use my nail polish remover top as the container for my liquid activator because the kit didn't come with one. But that's fine. Use any little container that you have and just go through each nail, guys, and pick out your nails wisely. I have wide fingers, so I picked out every fingernails that match my nails perfectly, guys. Lay them out nice and neatly, and you're gonna take your buffing pad. This is optional, guys. You don't have to do this part, but I did it because I have wide fingernails and I needed the tips to sit on my nails flat and good, so that it don't pop up easily and come off easily. I wanted these nails to last for a long time, and this is my first time, so I needed it to last. So this glue right here, guys, this glue dries quick. It's very, very strong. If you put it on for 2 seconds, this nail is snagged onto your original nails so quickly, and if you don't put it on straight, you have to like quickly take it off. I don't know if you know what I mean, but I use this glue underneath and on top of my nails like so. And if you need to buff it out to make it more flat, do that with the buffing pad. I went ahead and did the other hand off camera. Alright guys, so just a little update. As I'm doing this finger by finger, this is the last finger I just did. Let's see if we could get focus here. And it came out so perfect. Oh my god, where's the camera? Okay. It came out so perfect. Okay, look at this one. This one is raggedy. This was the first one I did. But let me tell y'all, I did this hand, and this is my left hand. So using my right hand, I am a righty. I did this right hand very disgustingly, but I do have a thing here that I'll be showing you guys in a little bit. It's a machine that will nicely buff it out. I bought it from Amazon. But let me tell y'all how I am doing this hand so phenomenally, and I am not even left-handed. I kid you not. As I'm doing each finger, I guess the more fingers you do, the more you learn on how to do it. Like, I am literally doing this so smoothly, like I'm a nail tech. And this is my left hand, guys. I'm not even joking. Like, I'm doing this so perfectly, and it's very therapeutic. You guys, the more fingers you do, the better you get. And that's pretty obvious, but yeah, I just wanted to come in and tell you guys that. And yeah, let's just keep going with the video. And guys, I want the ends to be very thin so that it look like my nails is curvy, because I love me some curvy nails. And I'm so happy that I'm able to do this, because now I don't need to be correcting a nail tech person to fix my nails how I like it. I just keep doing the thing, like, you know. And the more you do this, the better you get. And eventually I'll start doing this for people. I just wanted to test it out on my own hand first. This is my first time, and I think I'm doing a pretty good job. I am doing a pretty good job, actually. You guys, this is the best drill I have ever put my hands on, even though this is my first time doing this. This drill is for beginners. This drill is for professionals. It was very affordable, guys. Go click that link down below. I promise you, you won't regret it if you're trying to do your nails for the first time, or if you're trying to get in the whole nail business. You guys, you can also shape your nails with this drill. You can use different, they have like a whole bunch of different settings and tools that you can use just to like carve it out, to shape it out, to smooth it out, to do everything that you need to do so your nails could come out fire, guys. My nails came out extra curvy, just how I like it, extra squarish, extra long. It was just so perfect. I couldn't believe that me, little old me, I did it. I did it myself, and I will never go back to a nail salon. This is how it came out, guys. Now this is the last step. You're just gonna use your buffing pad and just go over each finger, go over the nails nicely, and take your time, guys. This is a method that takes time. I believe it took me about 2 hours to do this. Because it's my first time, I know it'll take a lot shorter timing next time I do this. Going through it with the buffing pad, just making sure there's no lumps or bumps, just so that my nail polish could sit perfectly on top and not looking lumpy. That's what the buffing pad is for. And you can also use the buffing pad to create your perfect shape, guys. This buffing pad was very strong for this Kids product, guys. For $7, I think I paid $7 plus tax. Yo, everything in this kit was so perfect. Like, the acrylics is strong, the buffing pad is strong, the liquid was strong, especially the smell, guys. The smell was really strong. It had the entire house smelling like a nail salon, but it was so worth it. My nails last for about 3 weeks almost, and I am going to do this over and over, and every time I do it, I'm going to share with you guys. So don't forget to hit that subscription button below. And I just want to thank you for watching this video. I hope that I gave you some tips and tricks on how to do your own nails, especially if it's your first time. Comment down below if you was digging this and if you did your nails because you watched my video. See you in my next video. Love you and be safe out there.